Good afternoon, guys. We are applying the concrete dye, dealing with rise and grind. All right.
Oh, the veins that are showing in it are awesome. Come on. Thank you.
He'll make his way back. See how this is coming out with like a coral look.
Tony been by?
No, sir.
No?
It's always so eerie how quiet it is in comparison to how loud it was an hour ago.
You scared?
Huh?
You scared?
Yeah, can you hold my hand?
Yeah. You come hold the pumps right, I'll hold your hand.
I might get a head start on you guys so I don't gotta dangle with that lock in the trailer yard.
That's fine. Go ahead. Mitch, can you tape that with blue tape for now? You?
Yeah, what, the threshold?
Yeah, where the VCT is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got something?
Yeah, you want to tape it? Yeah.
Okay, good. I was trying to say hi, I didn't think I had it.
It'll help. The stain's gonna start help eliminating that towel ghost thing that's in here.
We have to come back and touch up the white on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, we can touch that up.
So it's gonna get about a shade, probably about 2 shades. I always say shades, I'm always wrong. 2 shades darker than that when the sealer goes on, just so you're aware.
It dries darker or it dries
It
lighter?
dries lighter, and then when you put the sealer on it, it's gonna get 2 shades darker. Yeah, that's why I'm kinda going light with it, so you don't get too much of the brown or orange in it, because when he comes and seals it, it's gonna light up.
Try not to do too much of a straight edge on that edge, too, kind of under that edge going
Okay.
where they did the expansion joints. I didn't think there was any cracks in this cut, they sure had drawn the edges away from the walls, cracked it in.
fatter line? Huh? Is that what you want?
That line.
You can't go that way. Oh, maybe you can. That's all you got though. 'Cause I'm right here.
Almost
Oh,
got
sorry,
trapped.
you're right. I was running over here. Dang, these things weigh about 0.2 pounds now.
I want to throw something at you, brother. You want some tape?
Huh?
You want some tape?
For what?
Put your soul in it. What do you think, though?
Looks good. Now we got a couple extra
Alright, I'm
bites.
gonna head out of here.
All right. I think we'll probably stop by later, eat some food at the house.
Yeah, we got plenty leftovers. Tell you that much.
Happy Dusty Trails.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah,
be
yeah.
laughing all the way
I'll
there.
find smoke signals from the bag.
Alright.
If you need us, send smoke signals.
This floor is gonna come out real good.
Yeah.
100% gets darker when you seal it. 2 coats. I'll show you on my phone here in a minute. That one that you seen that was like, you were like, that's too dark. It was a little bit, it was a little bit darker than this before I put sealer on it. Sealer intensifies all the look of it.
So we got this half done now. Start making
And that's
them.
pretty good staying off your wall. Oh,
He's not even paying attention. I was about to go grab it and start pumping for you.
sorry. Had a phone call.
No, you're good.
Seeing what it was? Nobody important.
Two-gallon pump sprayer from Home Depot. Mix it in, a little bit of water-based stain. Give it 24 hours. And then we'll throw another company is gonna throw a urethane-based sealer on this.
A lot of ups and downs, different designs. Just gives you that marbly look to
Mhm.
it. That's why it's not just one. We wanted one solid color floor, we would just paint it. You know, we're trying to give that different color look, marbleize it, let the imperfections of the floor highlight.
Itself rather than just the concrete.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the only texture you get or look you get is these parts of the glue that didn't come out of the concrete. So now we add a pigment to it. The customer
What are you
over here.
thinking, boss?
No,
I hear your brain is smoking back there.
I'm taking a picture of it now, so.
Okay. What do you think? You like it or you want it darker? I don't think you're gonna want it darker, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't want things to get too dark in here. That DCT was light. That's what we took up down there.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This is gonna darken up about as dark as that what it looks like when it's soaking wet. Like some of that edge over there.
Uh-huh.
Not that dark, but you get what I'm saying. All this light where it's already dried,
Gotcha.
it's just imagine 2 shades darker.
Yeah, I'm like that.
So that'll give you your brownish, orangish look. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. A little adjustment.
Got scared for a second, ain't gonna lie. I know what's going on. I got scared for a second.
No. Never get scared, dog. My fingers
Yours
on
is
the
a little
trigger.
bit. Yours is thinner than mine. For the acrylic stuff, there's no really acrylic in
Oh
there.
yeah. God, this is all a lot thinner than
Mine by now, I'm shaking it,
No.
swapping sprayers or something, trying to buy now.
And I know that's why when I see you show up like with 20 sprayers, I was like, what's he doing? Oh, look at that.
What happened?
Get that video of that. The veining in the floor. Look at all this veining. That's awesome. See the veins?
Yeah.
That's all gonna highlight in the ceiling. It's my favorite part of any floor is when they vein.
Got another like coral look over here too.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it looks like dry a little bit, starting to sink in. But here's the coral look we were just talking about. Or the veining. See it starting to pop through. That's what the misconception a lot of people do is they go straight, go back and forth, and then you end up with streak lines, you know what I mean?
Yep, no.
Instead of going
Just do
in
whatever you
circles.
want.
Yeah.
You should see me when I use acetone spray and I do like multiple colors.
Look at that, guys.
Everybody calls me Twinkle Toes because I'm out there like this. I jump in like all those like little dry spots, like where the lighter spots. I'll jump them, like and just hit them.
There used to be a door right here, but during the storm, the door blew out.
Oh,
And that's how this whole facility ended up getting flooded. It's like if they didn't open the door or nothing happened, everything would have been fine. Take a glance at the whole floor.
so close.
What happened?
So close.
You are. I think you're gonna have enough though. I had the same amount of sealer before. So I know
Yeah.
what you can kind of get away with and what you can't get away with.
That's why I got that milk jug out there. I do mix it up.
I'll wipe it off with a rag. If you want to get some on. All right, guys.
See, ever seen a masterpiece like that? I only hit your wall one time.
Alright, good job.
Just
Here's
right
the
over there
boat
in the
ramp
corner.
across the street.
Okay. Perhaps be a problem, we can stand it over.
One little spot I touched the wall
Beautiful
with.
day
The
out
rest
here
of
in
it I'm off
Florida.
the wall.
Good job.